Even though it's possible to use Illustrator's alignment tools to arrange how your objects are going to appear on the page, you might want to also enable rulers. You can do this by pressing Command or Control R, or going to the View menu and choosing Show Rulers. The rulers appear at the top and at the left of your document. Let me go ahead and just grab a rectangle and draw something here. And we'll give him a color. Okay, he's happy now. Now, what we could do with this ruler is we could determine exactly where we'd like this to go. We can also determine how the increments, or rather the units, are in our ruler. As you can see here, I want to change this to inches. So I can go to the Illustrator menu, choose Preferences, and choose General. And choosing any of them, by the way, will get me to this one, which is where we're going to wind up. But I just wanted to show you that you can go to General or any of the options here to reach your ultimate goal. So I'm going to go to General and show you I can choose the same drop down list and go to Units and Display. What I want to do is change my ruler increments into inches. And I'm going to click OK, and now I have inches here instead of points. What I can do now is drag out from the ruler itself a guide. And I can drag out another guide. And I can use this guide to, determine where I'm going to place objects or how I'm going to align objects next to each other. So I can grab another rectangle, for example, draw it here, grab my Move tool or my Selection tool, and put it right there on the guide. I'll talk more about how to use guides later on so they snap automatically to the guides instead of having to eyeball it like this. We can also determine the 0 point of the ruler, or where the actual 0 occurs in the ruler instead of right here. So I can click and drag my mouse and put it right at the corner of the shape, and you'll notice that 0 is here and 0 is here. So I can start measuring right from here instead of right up here. If I double click in this spot, the 0 point will reset itself. So now the 0 is back where it was when we first opened the rulers. If you ever want to get rid of the rulers, just go back to the View menu or press Command or Control R to hide the rulers.